Good morning, bug lovers of America. This is G-Man. Just bugging? Good day. This is G-Man at Just Bugging. Just bugging. That's about it. Good morning, all you bug lovers. Good morning, bug lovers of the United States. Alright, this is Just Bugging. G-Man here. Good day, all you bug lovers out there. This is G-Man, Just Bugging. How y'all doing out there? This is G-Man with Just Bugging.
Hey guys, welcome to the Just Bugging YouTube channel, a father and son ran YouTube channel, and here's some of the various vehicles my dad has restored over the years.
Hey guys, how you bug lovers doing out there today? This is G-Man. This is a look into the past. My first car was a 1974 Super Beetle at age 15 years old. Pretty little green colored car. That car sparked my interest in becoming a mechanic. And I was raised in an insurance business family, so I was going to learn it there. So I joined the Army in 1985, and I became a diesel technician, and that's what my trade is. But when I got out in 1993, I got into building muscle cars. And as you can see, I covered a lot of areas. But then life changed, and it went full circle, and I got back into the Beetles, the car that started it all. Dalton was getting to be about 11 years old at the time, and I was thinking about what he was going to want. And at first, he didn't want anything to do with Beetles. You know, he's seen all these muscle cars. I bought a 78 Super Beetle convertible, which you see in some of the pictures. It inspired me possibly get back into it. I called up a friend of mine, Mike Newman, which used to own Mike's Bugs in the 70s and 80s in Florida, just to call him and ask him a question, a technical question. And the next day he called back and wanted to participate and help me out. Well, he allowed me to pick his brain, and if it wasn't for Mike Newman, I don't think I would have completely gone into air-cooled motors and VW Beetles after building some of the muscle cars I built. Some of the pictures you don't get to see, like that 389 Tri-Power. I never got to see the end of that. That's a different story. It wasn't my fault. He just couldn't finish it. Couldn't pay for it. But anyways, everything changed, and Dalton got into it, and then we got a 72 Beetle, and you can see Dalton and I were working on a 63 in their video, and and he got inspired to want to get one too. And some things happened with that where somebody hit us, and that's a different story. Car got totaled. So we're just in a love to bring these cars back. This is what we want to do. And we want to teach people how to do it. The more that these are coming back and out on the road, it's just a happy car. Everybody has a bug story. Everyone. Yeah, I mean, I've been to car shows with Chevelle smoking a Bandit Trans Am. The 54 that you see is the prize that I built. Took me 6 years, 6 months, and 6 days. And that is the biggest project I've ever done. And I hope y'all enjoy what you've seen, and I hope y'all, have the love for these cars as we do. Thank you. Just bugging.
Hey guys, it's Dalton. On to my story. So basically, I bought this car for $1,500, and I bought it from a 73-year-old man. Worked on it for a year. I put blood, sweat, and tears into that car. Put about $2 grand back into it. Drove it for 4 days. 2 days to work. 1 day to my sister's house. 1 day to a car show. And then, boom, accident happens. Car's totaled. I'm all, messed up. Back-wise, neck-wise, but I'm now 18. I'll be working on my second 72 Super Beetle with a sunroof. That project's coming up, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this channel trailer. If so, definitely subscribe to the channel, much appreciated, and leave a like, comment, have a Just Bugging of a day. Thank you.
just bugging.